Hey guys, so several of you struggled with lesson 6 problem sets, so I'm going to go through and show you what to do. It says, Mr. Stevens bought 8 liters of soda for a party. His guests drank 1 liter. What fraction of the soda did his guests drink? So here I've represented a fraction bar model with the 8 liters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The problem says that his guests drink 1 liter. So I am going to take and mark out this liter. And the question asks me what fraction of the drink did his guests drink. So we know they drank 1 out of 8. So it is 1/8 should be your answer. What fraction of the soda was left? So we know that this shaded box here is what they drank. So all of these boxes are what they did not drink or what was left. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of the 8 boxes that are left or unshaded or not drank. So our answer here would be 7/8 of the soda were left. This one says fill in the chart. We can see here that this one gives us an example, and it says there are 4 equal parts. 3 of those equal parts are shaded. The unit fraction is 1/4, and unit fractions always have a 1 on the top, and the fraction that is shaded is 3/4. So here we need to find the total number of equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have to figure out the total number of shaded equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those parts are shaded. The unit fraction, since we're dealing with a total of 9, it would be 1/9. And the fraction that is shaded, since there's 5 pieces shaded out of a total of 9, it would be 5/9, or 5 out of 9. Same thing here, the total number of equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The total number of shaded parts, 1, 2, 3. The unit fraction, since we're dealing with sevenths, is going to be 1/7. And then the fraction that is shaded, there's 3 pieces out of 7 shaded, so that is 3/7. Here, same thing, total number of equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The total number of shaded, 1, 2, 3, 4. The unit fraction, since we're dealing with fifths, is going to be 1/5. And the fraction that is shaded, there are 4 out of the 5 pieces shaded, so that's 4/5. Total number of equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of shaded equal parts, 1, 2. The unit fraction, since we're dealing with sixths, is going to be 1/6. And the shaded fraction, there are 2 out of the 6 pieces shaded, so that's 2/6. Total number of equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number of shaded parts, where all of them are shaded, so there's 8 shaded. The unit fraction here, since we're dealing with eighths, is 1/8. And the fraction that's shaded here is 8 out of the 8 pieces are shaded, which is a total of 1. And that's it. Hope this helped.